We're going to describe and graph these intervals of real numbers. We've got two different bits of notation here. This is called inequality notation because these symbols are called inequality symbols, and this is called interval notation. Okay, both of those are interval notation. So this one, the way I would describe it in words, is a number between -2 and 5. Right? We don't know what x is, so we call it a number, and it's somewhere between -2 and 5. And then to graph it, you can just make a quick little sketch of a number line, put 0 in the center, and you don't have to count out every single tick. You can just say this is -2, this is 5, and then the way that some people are taught is to put a dot on top here, and then a line, and then a circle over here to show that it's all these numbers in between. The dot is to show a closed, the dot is there because it's showing that that is technically a closed interval. It means it could equal -2. The open circle is when you don't have that line underneath. Okay, some people draw it on the line. I really don't care, whatever you want to do. Some people do this. It means the same thing. Okay, so that's the graph for this one and the description. So this one, if I describe that in words, you could say all numbers less than 7. Okay, because this symbol is infinity. An interval notation like this is saying the smallest number to the largest number. So this interval is saying negative infinity is the smallest number, and negative infinity technically is a number, so you keep getting smaller and smaller, okay? But then you stop once you get to 7. So all these numbers are possible. If it's infinity, you've got to point an arrow because, again, infinity is not a number. You're going towards it, okay? -3 to 3, this is a closed interval. You could say all numbers between -3 and 3 inclusive is what you'd want to say because these brackets are different than parentheses. They're both they're both interval notation. The brackets just mean you have to have a closed dot. Notice I had an open dot over here because of the parentheses.